Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we're going to learn how to create layers, set the paper space, the scale, paper size, and print. So stick around till the end. Okay, so welcome back everyone, and thank you for clicking on this video. Let's get into it. The first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we are using the correct units. So we'll enter the unit command, change it to millimeters, and then change the precision. I like to go with 2 decimal places. And great. Then if we come check our layers, we'll realize that we only have one layer. So we'll head to our layer properties, where we will create some new layers. So if I click on this icon right here, a new layer will be created, and let's call this center for center lines. I want to change the color to red. I want to change the line type to center X2. So once we come out here, we need to remember to actually select center X2 and click OK. For our line weight, I will go with 0.25. So that's a center line. Then let's add our hidden layer. Same thing, I'm going to change the color to green this time. I'm going to change the line type, so I need to load here. I'm going to change the line type to hidden x2 or times 2. And I'm going to leave the line weight as 0.25. Now let's do construction lines. Construction lines, let's put them as yellow. The line type is continuous, and I want to change the line weight to 0.05. Something to note, do not select the line weight for construction lines as default, because I think the default line weight in AutoCAD is actually 0.25. All right, so that's something to note. And let's create an outline. Of course, we'll go with pink, continuous, and I'm going 0.5 because sometimes when you print, sometimes when we're about to print, it's difficult to tell the line weights or the differences between them. And this layer will be our cutting plane, and let's leave it as white. Now the line type for cutting plane is actually phantom. We could do phantom. Yeah, let's go with phantom. Select that. And let's put the line weight at 0.4. So we have our center line, hidden line, construction line, outline, and cutting plane lines. All right, so these are the layers we're going to use, and now we're going to create some lines. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead, excuse me, I went ahead and labeled the lines. So this is our default line. This is our center line, construction line, cutting plane line. This is our hidden line, and this is our outline. As you can see, we have the line weights turned on. And what we're going to do now is we're going to head over to the layout space and see if we can set this up for printing and also get our scale. So I clicked on layout 1, and you can see we are already viewing our drawings here. But is this the correct size paper? So let's right click and go to Page Setup Manager. Then we'll click on Modify. I'm going to select Microsoft Print to PDF. And when we are printing, we want all our lines to be black essentially. So we're going to select monochrome here. Scale line weights, leave everything else as is. Change the paper to tabloid. So tabloid is 11 by 17, and we have it in landscape. Great. So now that we come back, you can see that our paper has grown, but our viewport is the same. So let's simply click it, release, and drag it all the way out. Do the same to go up, click, release, and drag it up. So now we have a more respectable viewport. But now I want to switch from paper space to model space. So I click it, and I can actually interface or interact with the drawing here. And this is where we select our scale. So I'm going to click on this number, on these numbers here. This is our scale, and I will select 1 to 2. So this is what 1 to 2 looks like, and we're most likely going to use that. If I go to 1 to 4, then we're not really making the best use of this space. And if I go to 1 to 1, now it's too large for the space. So let's go back to 1 to 2, and we'll go back to paper space. So right away, you can see that our scale is 1 to 2. If I click on model space, you'll see it here, 1 to 2. So if you're doing a question for CXC or any other drawing and you need to enter the scale, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. You come into the layout, set your paper size, go into the model space, set the scale, and then come back into the paper space. Now, the last thing we want to do is we want to print. So I can click the print icon here, or I can type hold on Control and P, same thing. What I like to do before I print is I like to do a preview of what I'm about to print. So let's click on preview, and let's zoom in just a touch, and you can see our different lines here: default, center line, construction, cutting plane, hidden line, and outline. Of course, you can see the different line weights as we have entered before, and all the lines are black because we set the printing to monochrome. So what I need to do now is go ahead and click OK, and it will print a PDF, and you can then print it on any printer that fits the size of paper. I want to select grayscale. Right, grayscale. Let's see what grayscale looks like. pretty much the same thing, but you can see the outline. Some of the lines are actually a bit more gray, and they're actually a bit lighter, like the construction line, etc. Hidden line. Yeah. So depending on the plot style settings that you input here, your print will look a bit different. But generally, I keep it monochrome. And this is what the preview looks like. That's how you set your layers. Set your paper space, paper size, plot style, get your preview, and print. Please like and subscribe if you learned anything from this video.